5:15 a.m. Snowland all around. A collie cycles home from his night shift underground. Past the silent pub, primary school, working men's club. On the road from the pit head, the churchyard packed with mining day. Then beneath the bridge it comes to a giant car, a shroud of snow upon the roof, a Mark 10 Jaguar. He thought the man was fast asleep, silent, still and deep, both dead and cold. A short